गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट। हेलो एंड वेलकम। राम रामा पब्लिक स्कूल रायपुर नजीमाबाद यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। सब्जेक्ट एसएसटी चैप्टर 1 इकोनॉमिक्स डेवलपमेंट। ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट एसएसटी इकोनॉमिक्स चैप्टर 1 डेवलपमेंट, क्लास 10th। ठीक है, देखो हमने 5th क्वेश्चन कर लिया था, 6th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ठीक है, why do we use average? Averages, are there any limitation to their uses? Illustrate with your own example related to development. Answer number 6. We use average because they are useful for comparing different quantities of the same category. For example, to compute the per capita income of a country, averages have to be used because there are differences in the income of diverse people. However, there are limitations to the use of averages. This does not show the distribution of things between people. Question number 6 complete. 7 start. Question number 7. Kerala with lower per capita income has a better human development ranking than Maharashtra. Hence, per capita income is not a useful criteria at all and should not be used to compare states. देखो आंसर 7 है। आंसर 7 No, I do not agree with the statement that per capita income is not a useful criteria at all. Kerala with lower per capita income has a better human development ranking than Maharashtra because human development is determined using a combination of factors such as health, education and income. So this does not imply that per capita income is not useful. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 कंप्लीट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, find out the present sources of energy that are used by the people in India. What could be the other possibilities 50 years from now? आंसर है the present sources of energy that are used by the people of India are electricity, coal, crude CRUD, crude oil, cow dung and solar energy. At present, consumption of energy in India is too high in comparison to its production and resources. India's no resources of oil are expected to last about 30-40 years only. Question number 9. Why is the issue of sustainability important for development? Sustainability. आंसर है sustainable development means that the development at present should not hamper the needs of the future generation of society and it should take place without damaging the environment. The issue of sustainability is the most important for development because development must be in tandem with the future. If natural resources are not sustained, then development will stagnate after attaining a certain point of time. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 कंप्लीट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. The earth has enough resources to meet the needs of all but not enough to satisfy the grid of even one person. How is this statement relevant to the discuss of development? Answer number 10. The earth has enough resources to meet the needs of all but not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person. This statement is relevant to the discussion of development as both resources and development go hand in hand. For the sustainability of development, the maintenance of resources is very crucial. Crucial. Needs can be fulfilled, whereas greed can never be satisfied because greed increases with every want to be fulfilled. Answer number 10 complete. Question number 11. List a few examples of environmental degradation that you may have observed around you. आंसर नंबर 11 है डिफोरेस्टेशन, दूसरा पॉइंट सॉइल इरोजन, तीसरा फेलिंग लेवल ऑफ ग्राउंड वाटर, फोर्थ है वाटर पोल्यूशन। ये आपके 11 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं। डेवलपमेंट के चैप्टर नंबर 1 कंप्लीट हो चुका है। इसमें 2 क्वेश्चन है 12 और 13। उसकी जो है टेबल आपको अंडरस्टैंड करानी है, यानी समझानी है, ठीक है, क्लास में। तो ये 11 तक कंप्लीट हो गया, यानी फर्स्ट चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है, ठीक है। 12 और 13 क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है, ठीक है। थैंक यू एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू, गुड बाय।